Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Floaty's Kitchen, and today I want to teach you how I cook plantain for breakfast, lunch and dinner, depending if you want to have it for lunch or you want to have it for dinner or breakfast. But if this is your first time of meeting me, please don't forget to press the subscribe button, like, comment and share. Stay tuned for this easy but sweet recipe. To start with, I peel the plantain and I put it to cook. I've added some pepper flakes and salt, and I've added some green chili peppers. As you can see, it is now boiling until it's turned to golden color, and then you know it is ready. So I've got a basin of cold water. I will place the yam in the water to stop it from cooking.
I just want the for some kind places. I don't want no wahala. It's so good outside. Me, I know they let nothing to worry me. I know they let nothing to bother me. Me no owe no one apology. You know say she don't know they bother nobody. Me, I know they let nothing to bother me. I know they let nothing to bother me. Me no owe no one apology. Do you get me? Me nobody tell me nonsense, my nigga. Streets is so cold, my nigga. Me nobody come try cry me a river. I'ma pull through like the strings on my guitar. Nonsense, my nigga. The streets is so cold, my nigga. Me nobody come try cry me a river. I'ma pull through like the strings on my guitar.
Whilst the plantain is there, cooling off, we will now fry our sauce. I've added a little bit of coconut oil, allow it to melt, and heat up a little bit.
I know they let nothing to worry me. I know they let nothing to bother me.
I now add my onion slice. I chopped the onion into banana size, so I've now added it. Allow it to marinate. So that all that sweetness from that onions can infuse. So we will just leave it to whilst we come to our preparation for the sauce. I am using green fresh tomatoes and peppers. This peppers is very hot, huh? So guys, that's the pepper I boiled with the plantain. I'll use this and the tomatoes as the sauce. This one, we call it guana. I've added a little bit of my seasoning. I love that seasoning so much. I use it into my cookings, my stews, food and meat, etc. So I've added that here. I'm just giving it a good stir for the seasoning to combine with the onions and get that sweetness out together. I have some mackerel fish I am just adding to complete the stew. Mix it all together.
I know they let nothing to bother me. I know they let nothing to bother me. Me no owe no one apology. Do you get me? Me nobody tell me nonsense, my nigga.
While I'll leave it now to
nobody
cook.
come try cry me a river. I'ma pull through like the strings on my guitar. Nonsense, my nigga.
I've just added a little water
the strings so that it's so cold outside, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger.
Mix
I
it
just
well.
want me, cause I'm going place. I don't want no
Allow the seasoning to
outside, my brother.
combine with the fish
I just want me,
and leave it to
I don't want no wahala. It's so
a few
cold
minutes.
outside.
I've added a little bit of seasoning. And I mix it
I know
again.
they let nothing to worry me. I know they let nothing to bother me. When no owe no one apology. You know say she know they bother nobody. Me I know they let nothing to bother me.
The stew is ready to munch.
When no owe no one apology. Do you get me? It's so cold outside.
Don't allow it to burn. The onion, you just fry it to break a little bit, not too soft. Now I come to my sauce. Onion, that's the onion and the peppers. I grind together. This is to give it that sweet and
Now before I digress,
spicy.
that I'm not your love interest.
What I am doing now, I am now serving, adding the plantains to this goodness, this tasty sauce that I've just prepared. Oh, this is so delicious.
This juice is so cold, my nigga. When nobody come try to cry me a river. I'ma pull through like the strings on my guitar. So cold outside, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger.
And here comes
I don't want no wahala. It's so cold outside,
onions. Guys, try this recipe and you won't regret it. Oh dear, if you have this in the morning, here you go. It will take you for the whole day. This sauce is so yummy, delicious, and tasty.
Nobody come try cry me a river. I'ma pull through like the strings on my guitar. Nonsense, my nigga.
Well, to crown it up, I've added some avocado and 2 eggs. From Floaty's Kitchen. Please, please, please subscribe to my channel, please, and God bless you for